what we've got here, this cable releases the hood, and let me see if I can get it around here where we can see. The cables run on top. As you can see, it's run on top right here, and it should run through this hole right here. Can you see that hole? Yep, right there. All right, so what I'm going to do is to redirect this cable, disconnect it, and run it through the hole. So I'm going to climb in there without killing myself. Let's see if we can get this done. Get my glasses. I don't know if you can see that clip. There's a clip. It fastens down. There we go. I just pushed it down. I don't know if you saw that. And you push it back up, which I'm going to need a screwdriver for. And lo and behold, I bet I don't have the screwdriver. See if I can do it with this. There we go. Now, you push that up and then you can pull this out. It's a pin. See the pin? All right. And we'll set that right up here on the side. That way we're able to free this. See that? It goes up, pushes back, and connects in with that pin. All right. Now, without me tearing this apart, I got to figure out how to get that free. There's a spring action on the bolt. I'm going to have to screw that nut. There's a nut on each side of the plate here. And this one's 10 millimeter. I'm going to loosen up the back side here so we can have some room to play, I think. Yeah. All right, you see that bolt? There's one on this side and one on this side. Now what I'm doing is I'm loosening up this bolt to where I got some wiggle room. All right, now I took this off. I was able to move it forward. All right, what happened is this slid forward like that. There we go. See, it's got a hook. Here's a hook right here. The opening is at the front. This hook's on it right here. I mean, this connects to the hook. So you go around, you hook it, you slide this piece back up like that. You adjust your tension by that nut, tightening it down. Now, what we're going to do is take the cable, go underneath with it. You can't see it from that side right there. I got grease on my hands, so I don't want to mess my hand up. I mean my iPod. Now, I've run the cable through the hole where it belongs. You can see it coming out now. There we go. Now this is done properly. Now put the hook back in place. All right, I'm going to tighten that nut down now. Tighten it with my finger. I use my wrench. See, now I got 2 wrenches, so I'm going to connect there. All right, I snugged it down. Now I'm going to slide that back. And my clip, here's my clip. Earlier I said it flipped up towards the top. Right here, what I did is I flipped it up. So now I've got to come down with it. So I'm going to insert this through the hole, line it up with it upward, and then bring it down and clip it. Now, it's in place, snug, tight. I'm going to make sure, tighten down on it just a little bit more. So it doesn't move. Nope. All right. Now we have it connected properly where it belongs. And it's up out of the way. All right. End of that story.